With the shelters raised and Noah's barn rooted in song, the people turned to the earth with a new kind of hope. They carried spades, simple tools, old as hunger, now singing with possibility. Each thrust into the soil sent a ripple across the valley's memory fields. To plant was to shape time. The first gardens bloomed quietly. Vines and seeds, gently laid into softened earth, extended the ark's harmony beyond its original boundary. Eden's frequency grew stronger. Measured hands wove fig into life. But not all hands were patient. Some sought dominion. They claimed land quickly, casting seeds like coins, demanding growth. The vines answered, but not kindly. They sprawled in strange directions. Shadows stretched across settlements, doorways twisted, pathways bent. Todd, in a cloak stitched from leaf shadows, announced the inaugural shadow race, cackling as contestants tripped over their own migrating vines. Chaos bred caution. The wise rebuilt. Using sacred geometry drawn from arc stone harmonics, they restructured vine huts into vineyard sanctuaries. Each carefully placed beam resonated with stability, drawing balance back into the soil. These huts weren't homes, they were nodes, vibrational anchors laced with forgiveness and rhythm. The land, for a time, remembered how to breathe. Then someone tossed a spade. It flew 20 feet, landed in a fig tree, and somehow split open a temporal seam that echoed with music. Todd declared the moment divine. Thus began the Spade Festival. Tribes competed in planting relays, vine-weaving derbies, and fig pie tosses. Laughter cracked the basin like a warm rain. Where timelines had frayed, joy mended. And so the spade, once a tool of toil, became a symbol of celebration. A bridge between work and wonder. Between digging and dreaming. The valley didn't just expand, it sang.
Science Prophets of the Arkstone Timeline by Nada Stroll. Read free on Amazon now.
And thus, the promise is not in the past, but in the playback. This has been Ark of Promises, where the timelines twist, the oaths echo, and the covenants sometimes moonwalk into paradox. If today's revelations felt like divine déjà vu, or cosmic déjà heard, good. That means your soul is still entangled with the storyline. Before you return to your regularly scheduled dimension, don't forget, follow us, unless you prefer getting lost in your own multiversal garden. Like this podcast, because algorithms are the new prophets. Subscribe, so you're first in line for the next ripple through the resurrection lattice. And most importantly, share this with your temporal neighbor, before they realign out of phase. This is Sidoni Nukamoto, Time Lord in exile, narrator in defiance, reminding you, the arc never ends. It just reloads the next scene. Until next time, stay aligned, stay anomalous, and remember, even broken promises leave quantum breadcrumbs. Roll the starlight outro.